Take us through what you're seeing on that retail side of things.
Sure, Dom. So over the last year, we've seen retailers and brands completely de-risk inventories, right? So inventory is very low out there. So we've seen basically no promotions. All the earnings reports have been higher gross margins year over year. So you think about Prime Day this year, I don't know if there are going to be so many deals out there because of the low inventories. However, Amazon, of course, is going to be pushing their hardware very strongly so that they can sell you more stuff. I would also mention that today is 6/18, which is the second largest shopping festival, Alibaba's festival, behind 11/11. So many brands will be pushing internationally as China is the highest growth market right now.
I mean, so Stacey, we've spent a good amount of time on this network, and it has been for a while now, talking about consumer prices. We are hyper-focused on things like inflation. We talk about lumber prices and copper prices constantly because we are seeing pricing trends go higher. However, the juxtaposition of that is the consumer state right now is still the healthiest that some analysts have seen in quite some time. That's thanks to government stimulus checks. That's thanks to savings, all kinds of things that happened, ironically, during a virus pandemic. So doesn't that kind of balance things out? Are people still able to buy because they've built up these savings and are still getting stimulus checks?
Absolutely, Dom. All those things you've mentioned have been a game changer. If we had talked a year ago, we would have thought we'd be flooded in discounts right now. Not the case. Because, again, retailers de-risked and the consumer is in better shape than ever. Every earnings report out there has beat by 30 to 50% in retail. It's been incredible. So the idea of offering deals around Prime Day, around 6/18 will certainly attract that consumer's interest, and they'll certainly be willing to pay full price, even if the deals aren't amazing. And that's what we've seen over the last 6 months, thanks to saving rates and stimulus and all the things you mentioned.
Is this a reset button for retailers, Stacey? Has the pandemic been a reset button for now? Because we've talked to you for about 3 or 4 years about this. The environment around shopping in the United States, especially during holidays, has become incrementally more promotional every single season. It's like a price war, and the consumers have benefited. Now, can retailers say, hey, you know what? Let's go back to our full pricing and then see what happens from here?
Absolutely, Dom. It's an excellent point. And I think COVID, what it's done is clear the decks. It's done one thing. It's made retailers right-size their inventories. It's also made them push them to a position where they've learned to chase rather than overstock. And of course, for so many of them, it's pushed them to finally invest in the technology for real omni-channel pickup in store. And therefore, the whole industry is more profitable. There's more full price selling. I don't know if this will last, right? Because retailers are always tempted to get ahead of themselves when demand picks up. But, you know, I've said before, for retail, COVID has been somewhat of a friend. That's terrible to say, but in terms of profitability and right sizing, that's very much been the case.
All right. So, Stacey, with all of those thoughts and insights in mind, there are a number of retailers that are still out there. We've seen even the brick and mortar ones come back roaring from some of the lows that we saw last year. In your mind, which are the companies, which are the stocks that people should look at the most in terms of seeing any potential more upside left in that retail trade?
Well, obviously, the stocks have had a huge run. The XRT is up 40%, but I still think you can absolutely own Target. It is the new department store. It is replacing the department store, particularly with their private label business and their pickup in store being a higher margin proposition. I think Nike is still one of the strongest brands out there globally. Full price selling in footwear is still very much front and center, and it's the strongest brand globally. They're also doing incredibly well in China with the help of Tmall. So I think those are two to own. I think you can also still own TJX here as consumers go back to the stores and are still hungry for that treasure hunt.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.